Scale operations, time, and resources are very important elements. This is why instead of relying on manual labor, machines are used most of the time. In today's Mighty Machines video, let's take a look at some
Welcome to Giant Machine YouTube channel.
In terms of squaring blocks of marble and stones, the QST3000D chainsaw from DAZZINI acts as the last frontier. Powered by the Cat 432 motor with a hydraulic circuit, the chainsaw is guaranteed to move along with so much ease. The machine is also built for day and night working and can withstand any and every weather condition it meets. Operators also have easier time using this chainsaw since they have freedom to modify the inclination using the stabilizers of the backhoe and can even opt to control it outside via a remote control. Pipe, electric cable, or drainage installations have digging trenches as its prerequisites. In this particular process, the Chemrock Chain Cutter EK-140 works the best. It's a construction equipment used to dig trenches up to 1 meter in width, whether in medium or hard rock. This machine is both a cutter and a trencher that has size ranges, from walking behind models to attachments for skid loaders and tractors to track heavy equipment. Speaking of working 24/7, this beast from TW Log Stacker must be one of the best examples. At its best, this is able to work for 8,000 hours per year regardless of what the weather conditions are. This can even run when it's already negative 35 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius outside. Coupled with its long working hours is its capacity to carry a total of 31 tons per operation, as well as its ability to hold up to 2 bundles of logs in one go. For a more effective operation, its modular grapples can also be swapped out whenever necessary. Speaking of roadworks, this Line 250 line worker by Falch GmbH is the best companion for demarking, surface cleaning, and floor roughening. It's a semi-automatic tool for jetting that works up to 250 kilowatts and easily beats typical hand lance operation. Compared to the traditional way, this machine is safer and more cost-effective, as it is 2 to 4 times faster too. A smooth operation is also possible thanks to its electric drive that allows easy maneuvering. Its adjustable cleaning depth also makes cleaning and paving easier without blasting excess material. Aside from this, the Line 250 also has a unique system that catches the water it uses so that it can still be used on other operations. Enerpac offers a wide range of cutters, shears, and splitters. From bar cutters, chain cutters, cutter spreader combination tools, nut splitters, and cutters, etc., all with specific uses and purpose. Their lineup consists of equipment that uses hydraulic, electric, and manual cutters and provides a quick, safe, and cost-effective solution. It's designed to simplify cutting industrial-grade materials through using its hydraulic or electric power. Using this saves a lot of time and even increases safety and productivity in the workflow. Another interesting feature is it has its ability to produce zero sparks while cutting, thus making everything a lot safer too.